In earlier versions of Word, such as Word 2003, we had the option in the menu to insert a diagram, but unfortunately we got a maximum of 6 types of diagrams. They were organisation chart, radial diagram, pyramid, Venn, target, and some other one. What you now have in 2010 is the ability to insert SmartArt. So I'm just going to press Ctrl N to the end of my document. If I go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, I've got the option SmartArt. And if I click SmartArt, I've got an incredible gallery of options. And these are all the sorts of diagrams that you can insert into your document to convey a complicated formation or a complicated process, much like a flowchart. So what I might do is I might create an organisation chart. I'll go directly to hierarchy. There are 13 types of organisation charts, so I'll just go for the basic organisation chart and OK. What you can then do is just start typing people's names into the boxes. And it auto fits the text. Any boxes you don't want, just click on the edge of them and press the delete key and they're gone. If I wish to add more shapes, perhaps I need to add a person before Dennis, then I'll go to the Add Shape button and I'll choose to add before. If I want to add a shape below, then I'll go to the Add Shape button and I'll add a shape below. If I then want to add a shape below this person, I'll add a shape below, and maybe somebody else on the same level, so add a shape before. And you just continue to add people. Oops, I don't want that person to be below, so I'll promote them. Oops, and I need to promote this person as well. So you can easily promote, demote, add shapes before, after, below, and so on. Even if I needed 2 people on the top, which you are unable to do in Word 2003, I can click on the top box and I can add a shape after. And continue to add shapes below and build a family tree, for example. If I want to change the layout, I might click on a box such as Sharon and I'll change the layout to either left hanging. At the moment it's right hanging, but I could change it to left hanging, both, or standard. I might go for standard. I can click on Dennis and change it to standard as well. And all those below Dennis have now gone to a standard layout. You can change the colours using the Change Colour button to any palette that's pre-provided. And if you don't like any of those, you can go to the Format option and start physically changing the shape fill of certain boxes to what you want them to be. But I'll go back to Design. I can also choose an effect or a style, such as this one here, which is powder, this one here, which is subtle, or I can go to these other ones such as cartoon, polished, etc. If I decided actually the type of organisation chart I chose wasn't the best, I can go to this Layouts gallery and just rest over the various options to see what they would do to my organisation chart if I changed the organisation chart style. So SmartArt is a very powerful way of creating a diagram to convey complicated processes or formations, and is a lot more powerful than the Insert Diagram option that we had in 2003.